Now we'll focus our attention on the survey application within Caddie. If you haven't entered into the survey application as yet, then simply right click over one of the bars on the left hand side of the menu there, go to load application, and you get a list of the applications you can load. The Caddie survey tools are here, so we have 1 and 2. In survey 1 we have the setting of the survey mode, so we can enable the survey mode. We can say what the settings are for the survey, which hemisphere we're in, X and Y, or eastings and northings for instance, as we want to use, and we can pick an origin on the drawing. So if we just examine here where our datum point is going to be, we can see we have the ability just to snap in on there, and it will track that particular point, and it will reference that as our datum. So we've got eastings and northings, which I've just taken as an approximation for the location of the offices in the UK, and you'll see that we've also got the 36-degree rotation in there too. And just picking on that, you can see we can either look at the rotation angle that we have in there or do a measurement. So just to simplify the drawing a little, we'll go to the layering and display, and layer display here. Let's bring that back in board, and we'll choose the site. So that's just trimming down the site layers a little bit to give us a little bit more clarity. And then we'll go for our coordinate text, so we can just add the coordinate text on there. We can write it to the drawing, or we can display it both in a dialogue or actually there on the command line, or we're going to write it, in this case, multiple lines. We can include a Z value, but this is just a flat 2D drawing, and so we'll just stick with our X and Y values here. And there you see you have the number of decimals too. So OK that, and if I just zoom in and there, and we're entering the eastings and northings on our drawing. The parameters here incidentally are taken from the text sizing, so if we come down to our text menu and we have our text set, so these are the heights that we're actually using here. So back in our survey app, adding more points on there, writing to the screen. It's really just picking around the points that we wish on our drawing. Very quick, very simple, taking into account the rotation and the reference datum, the reference point that we're setting out from.